Take a ride in the 2020 X7. The BMW X7 is sure to excite those looking for a full-size BMW SUV. Third-row seating, coupled with the latest technology and upscale interior features, make this a must-see for anyone looking for a luxury SUV vehicle, and is priced below $80,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, M Sport package. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.